Hello mga ka-OER! On this video tutorial, you're going to learn on how to recover your Facebook account without code. No need to change your password, no need to send code in order for you to recover it, because I'm going to show you step by step, an easy step, English instructions on how to recover your Facebook account. If you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe now. Okay. By the way, I am thankful because the previous video tutorial that I've posted was very successful. Today is on 6th day and it reached 4,000 plus views. Okay. So far, yun yung blockbuster na video tutorial. So thank you very much. Let's start. The first step that we are going to do, let's find Gmail. Okay, so click a Gmail icon. Okay, after clicking, you will be redirected on this page. Be sure that you log in your Gmail account and then click the profile picture on the upper right side as shown here. Okay, click lang po natin. After clicking, okay, manage your Google account. Another click. Then, of course, on this page, you have to swipe it. Okay, home, personal info, data and personalization, and so on. Okay, swipe it like that, and then click security. After clicking security, we're going to scroll down. Just scroll down at the bottom part. Okay. Okay, scroll down until you reach this page. Okay, click password manager. Click password manager. Here you can see the lists of applications, but our concern is Facebook, so we're going to click Facebook. Okay, here it is. Click facebook.com and then click a setting. After clicking setting, by the way, if you haven't set up your screen lock yet, so this is how it looks like. But if you did, okay, just enter the pin lock screen. Okay, so let's set up the lock screen password. On this example, my password is 1234. I mean the code is 1234. We have to set up the password, the lock screen password, because after this you will be redirected to your Facebook page or login page. Okay, verify. After verification, you have to enter it. Okay, enter the password that you set up for a screen lock pass. Okay, so I'm going to type it. But if you already have the screen lock password, then you will directly type it. Okay, so here it is. Done. By the way, shout out to Sir Lauren. Thank you for allowing me to borrow your phone. Okay, so it's the login page. You can copy by clicking that icon, papers, and then congratulations. Yeah. If you click this eyeball, you can be able to see your password. So that's it. Now you can log in your Facebook account by copying or pasting it. Okay, so I'm going to paste the copied password. Voila, that's it. So congratulations, you recovered your Facebook account without sending code, without changing your password. Okay, see? That's how easy. Okay, so thank you very much. Thank you for watching.